All right, let's talk about how you can freeze or keep the top row visible while you're scrolling down in Excel. So in this case, we have some data here. We have this header that explains what each column is. So when we scroll down, obviously in this example, like we're going to kind of know that this is the ID and the salary and the tenure without really needing to see the header. But for example, let's say we're dealing with a lot more information and there's a lot more numbers, and we scroll down and we're like, oh shoot, what does this column mean again? Oh, what does that column mean? And so what we can do is we can freeze this top row so that when we scroll down, it'll stick with us. All right, so basically what you're going to want to do is you go over to View and then Freeze Panes. Hit the drop down. Now what you can do is just simply hit the Freeze Top Row, which we'll do in this case, and that's going to freeze that so that it will stay visible while we scroll down in Excel. And then if you want to unfreeze that, all you need to do is go back to Freeze Pane and then select Unfreeze Panes. And then there you have it. So that's how you can keep the top row visible while scrolling down in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, smash the like button before you go, and just have a great rest of your day.